Boo.
Yeah, Paluta is a fool.
Boo. Oh.
Paluta is a fool. A fool is somebody who's unwise. A fool is somebody who does not recognize where he is.
Hey, yo. Ghana entertainment industry. Therefore, yeah.
And then me kawa baby, on one kasa beka was our show ne so say, onu otna 15 years as our blue. And I miss Matthias yenti otna or 15 years. No. Say so kwa ebe 88 years. 88 years because you see I don't know who say all the, and don't or inipa some of these things can happen Matthias here. But the moment you get into that realm, what start to say, oh, young for a pattern, so now, you see, me maka artists here and Kobna is here. They are the most pampered professionals ever. Also count most pampered. Every profession. Me who says so Jania war or expect to say a man of fans. Me who said doctor air surgery or expect to see a man of fans. It's me too much. Hey, somebody any patch obi.
Oh, a gift.
No, and your gift. And you munkwana more gift. Look, they be am can be home.
Your gift is an free.
A yen kwasi asem.
Facts.
No facts. Listen, mami can be.
Send your gift and it.
There be mpacho mami can be.
Fred dom.
The Fred dom I saw obu dom no.
You be bu
I saw obu dom no.
You bu.
This is disrespect right there.
Yeah. Tamucho.
Yeah.
This is disrespect like on the highest level.
Tamucho.
Hey, he went on to say ni yase or something ni tini. You tell me how?
They insult him
and this is also obi ebu enichie. Me sa nkasa it doesn't make sense. As a performer, you don't even look directly into the eyes.
No.
You don't look into their eyes.
Yes, exactly. Like
What the heads?
you need to be performing. You know, you
What
can't
is
be
he
paying
talking about?
attention to things happening. Yeah.
So Jimmy we are alert.
Thank you.
Jimmy nebema wa go off. Jimmy
Ulusu focus.
Jimmy no. Because you've forgotten where you are and why you were there. How? Like, tell you, what's left here 15 years? Who blow your crowd 3 years in by? Who person call? Hey, I don't get it.
Maybe I need spiritual.
And no, well, spiritual. I am paid and I am paid because I like him. I actually love him. I can understand his hustle. I saw him coming up. What's he say? You can see in his eyes time all band.
So
yes, you get this opportunity. Oh, Nyankupon. There's a reason why from 0 to 50 you are sending Nyankupon bema wa bre answer or the bibia to same. Because from 50 ekono and I will retire into not what domo like retirement. Anything you get before that time with Jimmy ube exactly. I pray for people like Blacko because but
Michelle should be no.
Yes, but you see, they understand the responsibility. Look, what do you mean? Or because of fame, you drag and Charlie, you're famous before mobile. Yes, but you hunk for your bite your brain and once. Me sometimes me hunk for someone with trap picture and I make me say it doesn't make sense. Why? Yeah, I don't understand.
So we are musician.
But Matthias, but I don't get it. Like people see me and they're excited.
Boy.
Yeah, but it doesn't for me. And that's what makes me humble about it. Say, me man is sick, me nye bibiama. Me pennyful. Say, na kupon shout. Say na ukasa no kosu konya na kubo nya utu organ. I mean say, hey.
Oh.
Yes. So you see, things like that should humble you. That doesn't better no. What is that? Like, infant we do to Wubu. You are see wow, JLM jacket. I am telling you, Unim. Ha! And can person me bo be din ba o say me and boy di. Sure. 15 years better than 100 years. 15 years. Uko shehwa time no encoder. Time no see 12 sa enco 12 1, 12 2, 12 enco see 12. No be time they are buffer na ko wudi and see 12 sa. Anya is it? Inti nyankopon aboa ni akebo ba she no she. Buo he no bumen. Nibo, if somebody's eye, contact can trigger you like that, and your kasa obey then, and the girl ko share ni me then, be your bune ni tie that now do when him ko share.
Any channel that allows speech.
So you do a you do comfort to your to their bomb. Still they override it normal.
Years back,
Yeah. People say all kinds of
Akon Bagana, should be.
Your share balloon.
Yes. I think that Whiskey was when a rapper be. Not many Shatta na ejuma. And na Saminis was so.
Very hot.
Jaja, Mrs. Samino, Sadino. Me respect Samini pa, but Sadino. Me respect like yo. Before Samini were backstage. Bottles, water, near to Tubono.
Jesus.
Yes. SM fans. I'm gonna see. Lie, no be today.
I want my name to.
Samino a killer.
Ojine mutu.
Kagwe. You know what? Hey.
After about the third song,
Chalet.
whole crowd.
Plus besoin de chercher une station de gonflage proche de chez vous en état de marche. Avec Nord-Auto, soufflez.
Yes,
They are singing.
Yes. That is the power. You see,
Yeah.
what's a couple can be say on face bibi da saada. Yakupon national. But if you face such and you never build you or baba kunabu in ichi.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey, Charlie.
Yeah. It's very reckless.
Ochinebi.
That's very
Omo number got na baby almost omo depression and depression real depression is real. Happiness is real. Bibia is real. Comport yourself. Yeah. If you want to change something, change yourself. Everything in this world is your fault. Papa o boni ewa. Me mami catch it. So I listen differently. Me mami or catch me say, your friends are your books and your pillow. Or see pillow ko do to ko to so en wu nyen toka o ko fa books o nu meka. Inti me mami ko jepo ehia no nme yafa. Ko be ba jibo kefito mani fa. Yes.
Sana mameti.
E ba ba ke mi no ya fe ya buena.
Oko
ye den. Oduti be pai bibi won. La o ke na sanya chins gigin choke no ke jiomo. Je ke no ko pe.
Abuse.
Yeah, yes. Me my mother she abused that. Yes. Sure. I mean my mother chased me, naked. And what was my crime? Mako didi abontin. So who purchase on near Jano, who de koto Jano si be didi ofi. Ye chase be sa me di many ko share omo a hen coop, right? Yes, and me di many ko me ha ko share. Woman e boom mistake. On pem kwasa. Onu kwa no share into debia wa stress into or see tashi baby oko bibi e yo tena ho kwa start no ma jolly hard woman. Yes, so if you don't know some of these things maybe ameka one kasa ansi hu so
One show who
sorry, these are the things that will happen to you because clearly say girl ni abusing and now can be I know you better me akebia man so the reaction here there but any are we serious in this country? And you are at your peak. Ebia only hate na o can make us say frustration are setting in. You are in your peak.
You are one of the highest
you are collecting, you are going around the world. Everything that is happening to you now is a plus in your life. What are they? But I said we going to see that man.
Last week.
Until today, almost trust statement be
another home fan.
No, Empress. You are putting sand in
the management should even do that.
Empress, who can say me? Can say now? Who become Bibia? Me so me body dey. Me kasa ma me kasa. Ya na odi Bibia ba be shame. Me so me di Bibia shame.
Me so.
Who to me say? Ne tipa.
Onyale.
It's sad, and you see the reason why we are where we are as an industry. It's a talent-led industry. What I say, so the talent call the shots all the time. Wow. But if we are in an industry where handless, yes, like some of these things won't happen. Younger baby say, you cancel dada. And then I think when I was on that platform, we see 50 cents money at them. Me say whoever does it, say Michael Jackson cry, yeah, it is foolish. So anypa. We shouldn't.
Those people
Sister, want to make us sound? Baby, inchepe. Hold on.
You know,
don't chip.
Yeah.
Don't chip.
Yeah. We should exercise restraint. It's very, very important. When patrol na ziga kasa, so this is where you need a manager. No, this is where you need a brain. Managers who nipa o. Now one kasa won ni adwin wo trima manager to me be Nyankopon oba no he Jesus or he lean me Jimmy nkwa na want to me anya hu hwe because Jimmy dey wo adwin mu whatever. So when your manager never catch up bibi wa wu ni medjuma no ye wodjuma na ko simple. I'm highly disappointed in you know I'm sure say by now crowd managers in the casa or theater. I'm sure we will know some of these things.
How do we tell by this time for statement, Maya? It tells us that we justify.
Yes.
See, I can see a brand new week meeting.
Yeah. No. I tell you,
me
so I'm your post program meeting. See, you showdown Mokoya. You show. Yes, you transfer as a team. Post-mortem. You show the DNA quality almost transfer. A man to say a deep incident we see money at the theater. And that's no more catching. So when you say meeting, he doesn't have a management team.
No, let me tell you. You see, let's be honest, right? A lot of these managers are suffering under the artist. I'm telling you, if I'm going to do a podcast, it is managers who are strong. That's where I'll put them on the chair to speak their truth. I'm telling you, because on him said they are the mercy of the artist. Into your casa be and his salary be on ya at a be on ya. No, you see that's exactly what I'm saying. Listen, it is the you see a Jumana I say who na who di nim who artist na who di nim. Into sometimes manager and casa crown because the cost stage na come say raise your hand obi a manager crowd sometimes obi nim. Into whom you're strong if you are not a principled manager, somebody who because say I don't care, and now me want me BBD dada, and now there were circumstances under which I got to manage you. To me, I'm telling you, I know 90% of these managers are being strangled, and the whole team members because kasa. Sometimes go to me kasa because artists look over come meeting say na why no. You know why you well, yes, sir. I'm telling you, there are a lot of yes men. I'm telling you.
Emmanuel Luki say, I said, you are not a manager.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
And I also obi ohonoma e wait. They say kwabla betimi ayi their chair. Say be a meeting. Na ashes ka bibia. O don't know otutu no or church no so. We are manager. Me dwene say as I say, obi ohonoma betimi artist na nina boom. You get me? And now obi ohon at the level no. Who time be able to manage Daddy Lumba? Oh, who time able to manage Shatta Wale? Who time be a Stone Boy as an A-list artist? Who be manage you? It is so well once, but there are some people they will let you know you're wrong and you're right. Who yes say who you least mistake or the you better or resign. I'm telling you.
So I'm saying, Mami Cheo, you see what the Okano empower. But it takes an experienced manager to be able to think what you're thinking, or the circumstances. Because manager do ebi only artist na starting kakra almost start almost no be a new mom.
Yeah.
Ono no ye the jumani ade. Ube one artist now blow. Charlie artist no blow another level, bro. Maybe on another occasion I'll come and sit down and tell you what it is, and tell you what artist no blow up, and yet they only no, but you're different. Now,
thank you.
Artist na blow no. Wokra ayaw there because my juma chena ade na ba. What you say? Inti so start so all ye ni hu star be wo pese wo manage sa ade no na ye mu fan kompempen su bi na ye hu se udi udo ahia ade no. Ube wan no ayaw to say form. Yes, I know many of them like that. I know many of them like that. Fortunately for some of us, I'm not just a manager, I'm an executive producer. I pay your bills. So you don't come in my front with that. What I say? Me manager.
As a manager, they should build their own thing.
Exactly.
Okay.
If you have your own label and you are paying for studio fees, you are paying for everything, no artist will come and play that with you. And if they play that with you, you drop them. You see, I think one of the biggest problems we have as a people, we are afraid to start again. We are afraid to lose. Me, I lose everything every day. Today, I'll lose. Because tomorrow again.
Artist no one na bra.
Good.
Sikane ba.
Good.
And was start acting weird.
Good.
Towards me. It me tweme ho
akwa.
Good. Yes. I'll lose. Yes.
Yes. That's the problem. Mindset. Because baby I be copy so only artists now. Artists near chef first and something. Look, I am telling you something. Kobna ye bibi or Kansas is no. And now okay about the band okay.
The band.
Look, me when anytime I'm on the stage or watching an artist anywhere I go, artists need perform me me share say obema ni band props are now. Yes, you're ungrateful. I don't care what you tell me. I don't care what you tell me. You're ungrateful. If you finish your performance and you don't thank the band, you are ungrateful. It is pure ungratefulness.
Whether you pay them or what?
Who cares?
Yeah.
Yes. And you won't good. So me, very small things. And I'm maybe Yakupon Nasha because I based on experience, the men who sign your man. No, some people won't pick it up. What is Jamaica? Because maybe I make oh man no I big I make us mechi me backbone and now I'm into me kasa. If my tongue was not in my mouth, I cannot speak. There are a lot of moving parts allowing me to speak. So nipa kra wo nipa bako. Your whole what did Jamaica say until they, and that's why they will go up and no more baba share say. No so mu twen nyame only top o nyame hye mu. Nyame na asoma kwabna se on beboa wo. Nyame na asoma ahye se on beboa empress. Nti nyame na nyame na asoma Vida ni oh Zim omu ye ama bim no. Wo. Enti ochine bi omu ye de. Omu ye Zim ama bim. Yeah. We who so omu ye lot of sound but we will address that one day. Oh. Yakupon Ashab Misa Ankrofo. Yeah. And at every point God will bring you somebody.
That's right.
It is very, very hard. Yeah.
To your question.
Yes.
Hey, question there. You can't check.
Oh, please. One second.
So we are control mu abruchire na o send sika ko Ghana mama nkan for Lemfi money transfer amount on say your dollar rate ni euros ni pounds say asay nemom say wo ye transfer na o pedie ni exchange rate e was ro pa kese dia medofo Lemfi eni ji say me wo ni say o your first transaction na o use the promo code and say referral code Bonah medofo o America and Canada now send you first $100 and I say first $100 Canadian dollars medofo amount $20 cashback. And I don't know more Europe, no Germany, Italy, France, and in important no so no. Oh your first transaction here €50
ɔma 15 euros cashback ana dodo no mo UK ni so o your first 50 pounds ɔma 10 pounds cashback ana sɛ wo America na wo pese wo ship onioma e de kɔma busuafo Ghana na wa mu no udi dwuma bi na mo wo pese ɔde onioma no free America ɛkɔ Ghana ɛni gi sama me de nam ɛyɛ Box Oak Logistics omu ye door to door shipping company ufru ma kachom say enam the Bonah so ena oti omunka ombecha 10% discount ana ufri akontum so na ukọ Ghana na obepe baabi ada e Kumasi a edin no e ba kope Pcash Properties Pcash so ufru ma kachom say enam the Bonah so na oti omunka omo so omecha 10% discount